What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Monday today, so you know what that means. It means it's a business day today. And as this is the very first video, I'm going to be laying down again what these business days are going to look like. So for me, I currently run three main businesses: a supplement business, an apparel business, and a digital agency. So that's IQ Digital. Okay, Infinite Quest, one of the sub companies within Infinite Quest, which is IQ Digital. And on these Mondays, what I hope to do is actually share with you guys either a nugget, a concept, a skill set within Shopify that you can hopefully apply within your business to have more success. They aren't meant to be complicated. If they are complicated, my goal is to actually simplify it down for you and to actually allow you to be able to apply it to any business, ideally. So that is pretty much the premises for these Mondays. Today's one is going to be more about the background history of Infinite Quest, of my businesses, and kind of like where I look to take them and the future trend kind of going forward. So the background with myself, or with my team as well, is IQ Digital, or Infinite Quest, started off as an events-based business. It was the case where we rent out a hall and we would just sell tickets. And we would have guest speakers who would be from London or a student who would talk about their business on stage and their journey. This was an amazing thing that we did at University of Surrey. Loads of people attended, but ultimately we were just breaking even. And so for me, one of the learning curves through that business was I had to realize, okay, I needed to create something of a greater value for the business to actually generate more income. So what I ended up doing was I ended up creating a sub-arm within IQ Digital, which was about business and personal development. I created a sub-arm which was to do with e-commerce, which was to do with creating Shopify stores for my clients. That ended up being the revenue generator that actually allows me to do a lot more things and have more free time. Because what I was able to do was I was able to find something which is high value with a great ROI for time as well. And I advise this, and again, this is a learning step that I want to share with you guys. I advise you that if you do want to enter into business, to find something which is of value, high value to a client, to a customer, and it's a high value and has a good ROI for time, or great ROI for time, meaning you can do the work within a particular time frame that actually makes it worth the while. So that was something I definitely learned, because while we were doing IQ Digital, which is Infinite Quest, which is what I was doing with Thomas back at university, creating these amazing events, it was a lot of elbow grease. It was a lot of time investment. It was a lot of just a lot of energy, and not as much ROI for time, not as much return on time spent. And although we did enjoy it, we found ourselves being burnt out quite often. And what I've learned, what I want to share with you guys is, again, just that comparison of business models, to find something which, again, you could IQ Digital, which is something online, where we can create the stores, an efficiency of time, present it to the client, and actually have a good return for that. Thinking of things like that. So again, as you decide on your business model going into the future, you choose something which is going to give you a great ROI for time. So that's the business concept I want to leave you with today, is to ensure that, again, whatever business you decide to venture into, make sure that there is enough profit margin to ensure that it's good enough for your time so you can pay yourself quite well. Also, that you have enough money to spend on marketing your services, and because, again, the last thing you want to do is have enough to pay yourself but not have enough to continue the generation for that business. And to ensure that, again, like, you also have some margin for internal business expenses as well. Right, so that's just, again, a business nugget that I hope to show you guys, and hopefully you apply should you ever start a business, or should you have a business already. Okay, and in the future videos, I'll be kind of deep diving and giving more experiences about my other areas of my business, whether it's a supplement business, whether it's Eaton apparel, which I'm not wearing any Eaton apparel today, but you probably see some future videos, and hopefully through me dialoguing about my business experiences, my failures, my ups and downs, you will learn and you'll be able to apply these principles or these skill sets into your business as well. All right? But that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below on your thoughts. And please, if you can, be sure to like it if you found some value. And be sure to subscribe so you can catch up with the future videos as well. This is still quite new to me, but hopefully as I kind of get more stuck into this and make it more of a habit, we'll just be sharper, you know. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.